What are you doing, Diego? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Satan eyes. Little Pidgey just sitting there being good. She's the good one. Are you looking at me upside down? What? What do you want? I hear you over there talking. Zeus, quit biting my camera. Stop it. The crazy kid. This one just can't get enough. Zoom in on that black tongue of yours. Show me that black tongue. Come on. Show me. Show me. Look. Look. There it is. Black tongue. Diego, he got a little pink tongue. Right, right. What? Get it. Get the string on my camera. Yeah, you get it. You get it. Get mad. Look at you get mad. What? Zeus? Quit. I'm looking at the Amazons right now, Zeus. Look at this one. Look at this guy. Pidgey Pidge. Little sweet pigeon. Little sweet pigeon. Look at all those pin feathers you got on your face. You're molting. Huh, you're molting. Pidgey. Come here. Come on. Pidgey's my sweetie. Sure is. My sweet bird. Here, get on Mommy's shoulder. Come on Mommy's shoulder. What? You want to chew on this thing too, don't you? The string. Give it. Can't have it. Give it. Ha. What are you doing?